Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So today is one of my favorite videos to record. It's Disney World packing video. I absolutely love these videos, and this video is just a little bit different because we are driving. We're driving from New York City to Orlando, Florida. Packing just a little bit different because there's no stress on space. We are definitely taking extra things with us, and definitely taking lots of snacks, lots of drinks, and bringing like cooler bags and coolers. So I'm excited to share everything with you guys. And before we get into the video, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful and interesting. Hit the bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video, and we have so many Disney videos coming in just a little bit. So this trip, as I mentioned, we are driving, so we definitely have a lot of space. I'm taking 3 suitcases. I have a big one that would be like a check-in bag from Away, and then I have a smaller Away, which is like a carry-on, and then I have another one, I think it used to be called Go Penguin, also like a small carry-on. And then of course the kids will have backpacks, and I did end up getting a cooler. We have a humongous cooler, but I ended up going with just like a simple igloo cooler, and it's a little bit more slim to keep drinks there, and maybe, you know, other perishable items and sandwiches and things like that. So let me flip the camera over and show you everything I'm packing. And also keep in mind that I do have an owner's locker in Disney World, so I am excited to take more things to my owner's locker and fill it up, because now I have more space and bring things that are full size, because we're not checking a bag in and going through security and then they have to pull it out. So everything is just so much more easier and just very laid back with this packing. So let me show you everything that I have. All right, don't get scared. I have things literally everywhere. This is everything that I'm bringing. I shouldn't say everything, because the cooler is not here. Obviously, perishable items are not here. Medicine is not here. My makeup is not here. Laptops are not here. Other than that, this is pretty much it. So these are my 2 suitcases. And so this is, I don't know, this is like a regular check-in bag from Away. This is a bigger carry-on from Away. This one is Aiden's bag, and this is from the Go Penguin. I think this one is just a little bit smaller than that. So we have a lot of items. I kind of pre-packed a little bit because I don't want this video to be 5,000 hours long, and because I am not, like I've mentioned before, stressed out because I'm running out of space. So in these bags, I actually just picked them up from Home Goods. It's literally just snacks for the kids, and there's just like cookies and cereal and like almond milk and things like that. So I wanted to actually get bags like this because, you know, when you pull up to the resort and you start taking everything out, and you have like a paper bag here, a plastic bag here, another plastic bag, everything's falling apart, everything is ripping. So I figured this would be perfect. They're not super big, you know, they're not small either, and they fit everything very nice. Let me tell you everything that I have. I guess we'll start from here. So if you watched my other 2 videos that I've posted in regards to this trip, we ended up last minute purchasing, you guess what this is? Sully and Mike Wazowski costume pajama things for the boy, because I'm gonna wear it when they go to the laugh floor. It's gonna be strictly for like 5 pictures for the laugh floor, because they are pretty heavy. But I do have to say, they were from Amazon, and the quality is really good. Like, I cannot complain at all. It's really, really good. So yeah, see, if I was flying, I would definitely not be taking this because it's ginormous. I do have some of my packing cubes. So this one is pretty much packed with my undergarments, with swimwear, swim cover-ups, things like that. And this is the same thing for the boys. So it has all of their undergarments, pajamas, regular t-shirts, socks. Right here, I decided to kind of fill this packing cube with the outfits that the boys are going to be going to the parks. So every park has an outfit, so there's an outfit for each park, including the Halloween outfit for Mickey's Not So Scary. right here I have a couple more outfits, just if they need to change or for just, I don't know, doing something. And also there's swimming shorts. Obviously, as you could see, I mean, I'm definitely taking more than I need because that's the luxury of driving. Right here, honestly, I just have probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 extra shirts. So we are going for 9 nights, and plus we're driving, plus we're sleeping over, plus accidents happen, plus everybody sweats the entire day. So the boys, you know, definitely need extra shirts, even though I will be doing laundry, but it's good to have some extras that they can just change into if we come back from the park for a midday break. I got these for the pool. Do I need them? No, I got them. They're cute. And this is pretty much me. I love wearing dresses in Disney parks. They are like below my knees, so they're very comfortable, lots of coverage. They all have pockets, which is like amazing, and just very, very convenient. But also on this trip, because we have so many days, I am bringing a couple of graphic tees and some biker shorts from Lululemon. One thing that I am doing differently, and I figured it's gonna be helpful for me. So this is 2 like tiny cubes. These cubes are tiny. They came recommended by a YouTuber that I watch, but I, prior to this trip, didn't find them very helpful because they're tiny. How I made them work for this trip. So both of these actually are for the boys. So I do have one for myself as well. So this one has their pajamas, their change of clothes for the road, you know, underwear, socks, whatever they need. I'll probably stick this in there as well. And then this packing cube is their outfits for the first park day. That way I don't have to dig through all of these things. I'll just pull out this cube because we will be leaving everything. We'll be switching resorts and we will be leaving things in car or the bell services. So I know that right here is everything they need for the first park day. So I thought that for this, it was useful and convenient. Any hair ties, little scrunchies. I am bringing these 3 pairs of ears. I do have cocoa ears, which I cannot find. I have to still find them. But this one was from last year. I purchased in, I think, Magic Kingdom. And these 2 are from Etsy. So I'm excited to wear this. And here you go. So this is my packing cube for the hotel. So it has a change of clothes, undergarments, and, you know, whatever I might need to take with me into the hotel. Here are the new fans I got. And here's another stroller fan. This one is very good. I found it to be very durable, like really sturdy. And these fans are just adorable. And they also have a light, and they have 3 speeds. Oh, the trick-or-treating bags for the boys. Them in Home Goods. They're like this. This one just says trick-or-treat. Is just like a little first aid kit. So it just has a bunch of band-aids and alcohol wipes and hand sanitizers and ointment just to have handy with us. This is, we have another one, but I don't know where he is. This is going to be good for the car for the boys. It's a blanket and like a little pillow. So I figured these would be perfect to keep them comfortable and, you know, use this like a pillow if they need it. Use it as a blanket if they're cold, because I'm always hot. They're always cold. So these are new waterproof cases. I got it. How it works, I'm kind of scared, to be honest. This was the things I purchased for the car, just to have more USBs and 2 outlets so they don't have to fight. I didn't share this in my other video because I ordered it a little late. This is like non-stick, I mean, oh my gosh, what are they called? Non-slide little pads. So I guess like if you put something, you put it on your board and then things won't slide around. So if I want to put my phone or my camera or whatever, it will kind of stay put. And then I wanted to purchase this to hold my phone. It also kind of just sits on the dashboard. It had great reviews. I will definitely report back. I don't know, because I did order like a phone holder. I don't like it. So I had to, it's like a dinosaur in my car. So I needed to try something else, so I got this. I do have one like this in my car, and this is just like a solar charger, and it has a light and like a compass. I think I have a bigger one in the car. So, and yeah, and it has like a like a flashlight, so I thought, you know, for the road trip, just in case, might be handy. Here I put our magic bands. I probably won't be able to open it. I didn't order new magic bands. I found like old ones. These two are mine, and then for the boys, so I'm going to probably just get new ones over there. I have a little bit of Disney jewelry that I'm keeping here. This is random, it's just here, wipe, and then these are hoodies for the kids, so they're probably gonna end up going in their backpacks. I already shared majority of this, my pre-Disney packing video. I can link it for you guys, you can check it out. Pretty much everything that I'm going to be leaving in my owner's locker. Like I've mentioned before, I'm taking full-size items that I normally can't if we're, you know, not checking in a bag. I do laundry, so I'm taking some laundry related things. I pack my kids snacks all the time to the park, so I use Ziploc bags, goggles. Disney never has good goggles, and the boys want to have goggles there. My tea, spray, sanitizers, some medication that have really long shelf life, and SPF. All right, as far as shoes, this is pretty much, I think, all I'm taking. I'm probably gonna end up driving in days. I think I have one pair of sandals in Disney, but I'm gonna take this because they are very comfortable, but they do suck when they get wet. So thing to keep in mind. The boys love Crocs, and honestly, I'm not even going to take any other shoes for them, maybe aside from another pair of Crocs in case something happens to these. All right, I will have another video showing you how I am packing the car. So I've also shared these containers in my other video. Be sure to check that out. So the boys packed all their favorite snacks. So everything is either in a Ziploc bag or like single packets like that. So there's pretty much cookies, puffs, raisins, and pretzels. So this will go in the back with them, and they'll have access to all of that. So this will stay in the front with me. I got some chips for myself. I have some candy. We'll definitely, obviously, we'll have spaces for a water bottle. This is just a few things to keep my little guy entertained in case, you know, we're having a rough time. So I do have pretty much double of everything. So I'm gonna save other part of this for the road trip bag. So there's Mickey Doorables. I opened up that humongous container of Play-Doh, and I just kind of like literally split it into like fourths. This little mess-free marker, coloring book, and then this one. So I have regular wipes. I have more sanitizing wipes, more sanitizing wipes, more, you know, little candies. Here I do have my tea because I'm crazy about my tea, some hair ties, and a couple of masks if we need. This pouch I decided to use as a bathroom situation. When we go and stop in the bathroom, I just want to make sure that we have everything that we might need. So there's 3 masks in here. These, they are, I don't even know what they are officially called, but they are like humongous toilet seat covers. So if one of my kids, you know, needs to use a bathroom and needs to, you know, sit down, this will cover the entire toilet. So which is good. Again, flushable wipes, hand wipes, sanitizer. So just, you know, things like that. I think I did pretty well. Big one definitely had a lot more space. Like I could put a lot of more things inside. Says this is gonna be the 2 luggages we're taking. This is the Igloo Slim Cooler that I bought. Let me see if I can open it. Oof. Here we go. So it's pretty slim. I like it. Like I mentioned before, these are just full snacks for the boys. So this is going, you know, a bunch of water and our backpacks. That is it, guys. Only packing was so easy and stress-free every single time. So I am done. Like I said, I think this was probably one of the most easiest packing videos for me because we are driving, because I do have more space, but also because I've definitely been planning this for weeks, not months, on certain items. I've been planning my kids' outfits, trying to organize that. I've been packing, I've been trying to purchase things that are going to be helpful for me to organize my car and, you know, just keep everything together, because the number one thing I just hate is, like I said, when you pull up to the resort and you just have bags and bags and bags and bags and bags, and it's just like, oh, I don't know, it just drives me insane. So I'm glad to have 2 suitcases. I don't think we're gonna take the third one because honestly it's empty, and if there's anything else that I need to squeeze in, I'll definitely put it into the big one. We're missing are just the backpacks, camera gear, and medicine and makeup. That's it. That's it. Everything else is there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will have one more video as I pack my car, but that's going to be probably morning of when we leave, just because I will already have perishable items in the cooler and just figure out how everything is going to sit, stay, stand. So definitely be on the lookout for that video as well. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.